Hello everyone. So our today's topic is all about indexing, like indexing for one dimension as well as two dimension as well as the three dimension. So we have something right now in comment section that is for two dimensional as well as the three dimensional, because we will start with the one dimension first. Okay. So indexing means to access the element, okay, of that location. So here we have one variable, for example, arr equal to np.array. Okay, and then we have one dimensional array like 1, 2, 3, and 4. And obviously, we know one thing that index always start from the 0. So if I write array of 0, okay, so at 0 index, we have a number 1. So this will give you the output as 1. Then second print array of 2, that means 0, 1, and index number 2 we have number 3, and index number 3 we have number 4. So 3 plus 4, and here we will get the output as what? 7. So control S and we'll check the output of this two print statement only right now. Okay, yes, we are getting 1 and we are also getting what? 7. Both the output we are getting. Okay, so now we will keep this part in comment section because we will focus on this part actually. That is two-dimensional array. Okay, so you all can see here. Right now we will keep this line also in comment. Okay, a equal to np dot array, and now it is obviously two-dimensional array 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and print, and it is like 0 comma 1. Okay, now see, it is two dimension, so this full list, okay, that is index 0, okay, and this will be index 1. Okay, so first number indicates you are going to focus on which list first of all. So this 0 indicates you are going to focus on this list. That is the meaning of the first number. Now, what is the meaning of second number? That in the specified list at index number 1, which number is there? So this is index 0 and this is index 1. So it will print answer as 2. So we'll check the output of this. Control S F5. See, we are getting output 2. Suppose if I do some changes, okay, for example, A1. So now obviously it will focus on this part because of the first number index 1. And suppose if I write 3, okay, so this side, this is your index number 0, 1, 2, and this will be 3. So it should print 9. Control S F5. See, we are getting 9. Okay, and same way we have a three-dimensional also, so we will keep this part in comment section now. Okay, and no, okay, so we have arr equal to np.array, and it is, you all can see, it is three dimension. Okay, so now what is the meaning of these three numbers? First of all, that this, you all can see, it is actually two dimension. Okay, so this is one part of this three dimension ka one part is this. Okay, this is one part, 1 minute, this one, comma. Now this is your second part. Okay, this is two dimensional, so it has two parts. Okay, now first of all, it is having three parameters. 0 indicates it will focus on first part, full part, that is the meaning of the first number. Okay, but in first part you can have a multiple subparts, like here also we have this as a one part, one more part. Okay, so what is the meaning of second number? That in that selected or specified part, index number 1, so this will be full index number 0, this will be index number 1, so it will focus on this part. And now last number 2, so in this specified at index number 2, that means 0, then 1, and then 2, so it should print output as what? 6. Control S F5. See, we are getting 6. Suppose if I change this to 1, so that means it will focus on this part, that is one thing. Then if I write 0, second parameter, that means it will focus on this part. And then suppose if I write 1, then index number 0, and index number 1. It should print answer as what? 8. Control S and then F5. Just 1 minute. Yeah. See, we are getting 8 as an output. Okay, so obviously we can have a positive indexing as well as we can have a negative indexing also. It is not compulsory to have this thing, what you can say, a positive only. For example, if I write -1, okay, first of all, this is 1, that means this part, okay, then 0, that means this part, okay, and we know if it is 0, 1 and 2, so -1 will be from right hand side, it will be 9 only. So control S and F5. See, we are there. So indexing can be positive or negative, both. It can be anything. Okay, so in my next video we will talk about this slicing using NumPy. Thank you everyone.